AutoDS versus Printify, which one is better? Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to go over another compare and contrast between two print-on-demand service providers, Printify and AutoDS, and we're gonna go a rundown on both of their pros and cons and features and pricing, so that you can see which one suits your needs better. So we're gonna start with Printify. So Printify is a leading print-on-demand or POD service that makes it easy for nearly anyone to create an automated overhead-free e-commerce business. So when it comes to the pros and cons of Printify, the pros are flexible subscriptions of both free and paid plans for beginners and enterprise, extensive product catalog with over 900 print-on-demand items, budget-friendly product costs to maximize their profits, world shipping network with transparent pricing, easy-to-use interface to add products, create designs, and manage orders, and quickly connect to 10 plus other online platforms and marketplaces. When it comes to the cons, they are as follows. Fluctuating product quality among different print providers. So if you get a high quality product from one store, you might not get the same level of quality from another. Slightly slow and expensive delivery due to dependence on third-party providers. Lack of immediate assistance without any phone support. And limited branding options for order, items, and packages. When it comes to Printify's pros, its wide range of products is something you can't overlook. This company boasts more than over 900 items, including apparel, accessories, and home goods. It regularly updates the catalog with trending products such as coffee and beauty merchandise. And as you can see here, we have a little bit of a presentation of products, partners, and prices from said partners. So this example involves unisex heavy cotton t-shirts, which is from Gildan, and it ranges from $8.67. Unisex heavy blend crew neck sweatshirt, however, also from Gildan, $16.79. Ceramic mugs, we have 11 ounce and 15 ounces. It's generic, so the price is $4.40. Women's ideal razorback tank. This is a tank top. Partner is Next Level, and the price starts at $10.49. Matte vertical posters, generic. It is $4.66, and a canvas that is 75.75 inches is also generic and starts at $12.85. When it comes to Printify's shipping rates, so as you can see here, each partner of Printify charges at different rates. So this is going to be US, Canada, Australia, Netherlands, and Denmark. So shipping up to 10 to 30 business days for the US. First item is $8.40. An additional item has the same price. And as you can see it, every additional item of the same type will be the same price. So for you, again, for US and Canada, shipping goes up to 10 to 30 business days. So it does take quite a while. For Australia, New Zealand, and Denmark, ships up to 10 to 15 business days, which is a bit, you don't really need to wait for literally a month. When it comes to Printify's pricing, so they have a free option for merchants starting a business. So as you can see here, it is free, 5 stores per account, unlimited product designs, right? When it comes to premium, for merchants with growing sales, so this is for people who have experience. The free one is for somebody who's just started to dip their toes on print-on-demand and online selling. For premium, it is $24.99 per month, billed annually, all right? But if you want to pay monthly, it is going to be much more expensive. It is pretty much $4 more expensive, right? You get 10 stores per account, unlimited product designs, and up to 20% discount on all products. Enterprise has custom pricing. This is for merchants with significant daily sales. So these are big companies or big stores, right? They have unlimited stores per account. They have unlimited product designs, and they have additional accounts on all products. If you go to the catalog, once you sign in, this is what it's going to look like. This is pretty much your dashboard, right? So this is what your dashboard is going to look like. So your catalog is here. So as you can see here, if you click on catalog, this pop-up will appear. So you can pretty much filter everything from bestsellers, US election season, Halloween, different types, and then you have it segregated to men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, Food, health, and beauty, accessories, home and living. So a lot of things here. And you can click here for my products. As you can see here, we don't have yet. You have your orders that you need to fulfill, right? Once you've started your shop. And when you click on branding here, there's 3 things you can do. Package inserts. So add a 6x4 insert card to show off your brand identity and leave a message to your customers. This is a pretty cool customization that you can do to pretty much show your brand to people who are buying your products on your store. Neck labels at the same time, as you can see here, neck labels are the ones of your brand on the back of a shirt. And then gift messages, again, pretty much the same as package inserts, but this you can create a gift template that uses your logo pretty much, and customized fonts to match the look and feel of your store. And there's a lot of things that you can do here, right? Again, you can just see here sample stores, bestsellers, right? And you can make your own. So that is Printify. We are going to go ahead and talk about AutoDS. And we are going to start with AutoDS. So AutoDS is an all-in-one automatic drop shipping tool that helps customers effortlessly manage their online stores by automating product listing, inventory tracking, product research, order fulfillment, and so on and so forth. And we are going to begin with its pros and cons. So the pros are: provides reliable customer support, automation of multiple suppliers, convenient inventory management, which a lot of people are looking for, lots of time-saving features, and a one-click product import feature. The cons, however, there is no trial, there's no free trial, everything is priced, and the UI can be confusing, especially for beginners. So those are the pros and cons. Now, if you go to trustpilot.com here, a website for reviews and whatnot, as you can see here, this is AutoDS. It has a 4.8 out of 5 rating, which is so high, based off of over 9,231 reviews. So as you can see here, the breakdown is as follows. 5-star is over 88%, right? 4-star is 8%. 3-star is less than 1. 2-star is 1%, and 1-star is 3%, surprisingly. But again, if we go back to our pros and cons, this probably is the UI or people who are just like very new to drop shipping. So if you go and see all the reviews here, these are all people. These are not botted, by the way. And as you can see their location. So this one's from the US, right? A lot from the US, CA, Canada, Singapore. So again, very high, very, very high. And again, if you go to their website, this is their website. I'm going to show you their features, the features of AutoDS, so that you could have an idea of what you're going to get. So as you can see here, it says here, 1.8 million plus drop shippers who use the platform. It has over $1 billion earned by said drop shippers, and it had over 800 million winning products available. Right. So what are the features? They have a product research system. They have a built-in AI Shopify store. Right. Get an AI-built Shopify store with winning products ready to sell pages to kickstart your drop shipping business. You can also import products. So you can import over 500 million products from global suppliers in just one click, which is pretty handy. And they also have fulfilled by AutoDS, which is automation when it comes to tracking, orders, and returns for the buyers, right? Of course, they also have their own print and demand. They have product sourcing, and they have 24/7 live chat support with an average of 1 hour in terms of response time by their professional support team that will 100% help you with whatever query or issue you have with the service. And they have 14-day trial for $1, which is pretty cool, right? So this is the supported worldwide suppliers. Work with reliable and trustworthy suppliers from all over the world that are supported by AutoDS. As you can see here, AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, Home Depot, Banggood, Walmart, eBay, Costco, Overstock, Costway, Lowe's, dropshipping.com. And they have eBay, WooCommerce, Shopify, Etsy, Facebook, Amazon, Wix, and TikTok. Right? So those are the suppliers. And as you can see, pretty cool. animation that we have here. And here, of course, you're going to have reviews, right? We already saw reviews, but this is the Shopify reviews. And they have reviews from Shopify App Store, Capterra, GetApp, and this one. Now we go to pricing. So when it comes to pricing for AutoDS, it depends on the platform, right? Whether you're eBay, Shopify, Facebook, Amazon, Wix, WooCommerce, Etsy, and TikTok. It depends, right? So it is divided into 4 plans. So you have import, you have starter, you have advanced, and then you have a customized. This is for big businesses, pretty much. So import, you pretty much get 200 products. Product research tool is available. Graph manager is available. You can see all the available goods, right? And you could see the one that doesn't have checks. Those are not available for that plan. So again, it depends on the platform, right? This is eBay. Shopify is much more expensive. Facebook is more expensive. Amazon is very expensive. Wix, not as much as good as Shopify, right? WooCommerce, same thing. Etsy, same thing. And then TikTok is a bit more expensive. But again, Amazon, which is the biggest platform for selling, right? There you go. And you can just scroll down, show you. There we go. And yeah, that is AutoDS. And that is AutoDS and Printify. So now you have a better understanding of which one is better or which one suits your needs more. And yeah, that's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.